Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast cubes. First, gather your ingredients: day-old bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, slice your bread into 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly and absorb the custard perfectly. Finally, whisk together the eggs, milk, and sugar in a shallow dish, ready for dipping. Now it's time to dip your bread cubes. Don't let them soak too long, just a quick dip on all sides to coat them. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once melted, add your coated bread cubes in a single layer. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning frequently, until all sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. For an extra crispy finish and to ensure they're cooked through, transfer your pan-fried French toast cubes to a baking sheet. Pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This step helps them firm up and get that perfect texture. Once done, serve them immediately with a dusting of powdered sugar, maple syrup, or fresh berries. Enjoy your delightful treat. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your French toast cubes. Using slightly stale bread works wonders, as it absorbs the custard better without becoming soggy. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your egg mixture. These small additions make a big difference. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that car air freshener. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.